Hey everyone, I have a very special guest rejoining us. We've had about a break of, I don't know, 4 to 6 weeks, but it's Mike from the Nexus Group LLC. How you doing, Mike?
I'm excellent, sir. How are you?
I'm doing very well. You've had some life events happen. You've been very busy. We don't have to get into the details of that, but life happens, and you needed to go take care of those. So I hope everything worked out and you're back at it.
Hey, I appreciate that, but I'm glad to be back and ready to give your listeners some great information.
Hey, man. So I appreciate that. Hey, one of the things I want to go through that really could have been a difficult conversation between two of us, because again, we're just two guys. Look, we met at a REI meetup. We do our own thing, and we've clearly connected because we want to help people. Somebody that followed my channel had reached out to the Nexus Group, and for whatever reason, wasn't happy. And they reached out to me, and then I reached out to you and your team right when you were dealing with all this outside stuff. And I'm happy to say you took care of them. So, thank you for that. I thought we should just talk about it because, again, we have no direct relationship, but, you clearly value what we're doing at one rental at a time. And you took care of what could have been a sticking point, because if that went the wrong way, we'd stop talking.
Absolutely. Absolutely. The core values of our company is to make sure that our clients are taken care of, that people are getting the real information that would truly benefit them. And if we're not able to benefit them, then we want to make sure that, they're taken care of regardless. And so, we just think it's good business practice. We think it's a good business model, and we don't want to put someone in a position where we've wronged them. That would absolutely be against my personal moral code. And so, yeah, we had a situation where an individual fell in hard times. They had put it down on some of our services, and they decided not to go through with the services, which we completely understand. And
Sure.
and when they're ready to move forward, if they're ready to move forward in the future, we're absolutely here for them. And so, yeah, Mike gave me a quick text and said, "Hey, we need a little help here." And my team took care of it immediately, because once again, we want to make sure that everyone's happy, and if that means letting someone go on their own way, no problem.
Yeah. And again, Mike, I mean, you obviously know this given as a businessman, but as somebody who's not connected with the Nexus Group at all, but just likes what you're doing, and frankly, helps me because there's that one question I will never answer. What do you do with entities? I need to have somebody to help me with that. So having you deal with that difficult situation made me feel good because again, I'm taking all my 2 years of effort, thousands of videos, and going, you know what? I'm going to give these guys a shot. And you know, you did well. You not only took care of it, but you took care of it within 24 hours of you and I communicating. Frankly, while you were dealing with some family stuff. So I felt really good that I'll keep working with you or keep celebrating what the Nexus Group does. Because not only you're helping people that need it, but when events happen in business, it does, you took care of it. And you didn't even ask any questions. You didn't complain. You didn't whine. You didn't create 1,000 excuses. You're like, good, we'll take care of it. It'll be done tomorrow. And I'm like, all right, let's see. And sure enough, it was done tomorrow. So kudos to you.
Hey, thank you so much. And thanks for recognizing the fact that we take care of our clients.
Yeah. Well, I wanted to do a quick shot on that because again, I care about one rental at a time. I'm doing all this to help people. There's clearly one question I will never answer because I don't want to ask the thousands of questions, right? Nexus Group is there to answer those questions. I point everybody to the Nexus Group. You have a playlist on my channel, and now we have a video about you taking care of a difficult situation. So I just wanted to recognize that and thank you for that and have a wonderful day.
Hey, absolutely. Thank you, Mike.
All right.